Ah, Taco Bell is so good. Excuse me.
So how many calories now did you consume?
Probably over like 2,000. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. Woo. Let's see. For breakfast, I had 4 pieces of pizza. For a snack, I had half a candy bar.
Oh, that's terrible. You had nothing but
Excuse me. Ah. Ooh. And then a $5 box, or how much was it? A $7 box?
$7.16 a box instead of $5.
Wow, their prices on up. And their excuse is, well, it's Corona. Probably. Ooh.
So,
My hair is not looking nice today. Excuse me. That was my dinner. Whew. So there was a burrito, a chalupa, and a
plus
chips and dip, and then there was a hard taco, but it was like a loco taco. It was like one of those Doritos loco taco. I think it was cheddar cheese or something like that. Woo! My hair looks horrible.
Okay. So it would be
Burping a lot. That's what Papa will do to you. Sprite.